Please, guys, if you have not subscribed, make sure you do so right now. We just don't want you to watch the video and just click off and don't subscribe. Subscribe, watch the video to the end, click the notification bell, tell a friend to tell a friend.
Silva,
Yes, boss.
can you give me a few reasons how to take care of a man as a good woman?
Well, like they say, the key to a man's heart is his stomach, so might as well prepare some nice meal for him. Make sure him always getting food.
It's only that, you know?
And a lot more.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, miss.
What it takes to treat a man?
You need to always be available for your partner.
In what way?
Physically, emotionally, mentally, financially.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright, don't go any further. Thank you very much. Miss Brandy, you look like you can do it all, but I want you to prove it to me. What it takes as a good woman to treat a man.
Okay, so how would a man treat a man? You be loyal, be honest. If there's an issue, you don't argue about it, you communicate so that you both of you don't have a conflict and you can just move forward. Basically that.
Miss Gold, I need you to explain and tell me how a good woman supposed to treat a man.
Alright. A good man is supposed to treat a man like this. They're supposed to support him in everything he does and guide him to the right path and, well, love him, respect him, and treat him right, basically.
Okay, ladies, that wasn't bad. But I'm gonna let you hear from a male perspective. John Public!
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me. I leave the ladies in your hand.
No problem, no problem. Good evening, ladies. This thing has came to my attention that you see attitude in these nowadays relationships always cause a lot of problems. So you might feel so you have to give a man attitude, you know. in a work that way. Behavior is a very important aspect, right? So, but you know, at the end of the day, you still have to put in and, you know, give him what he needs. Your man come out now and just fling on his socks on the bed, right? And he maybe like just leave a little few stuff, you know, around where you know say he's supposed to put it back. Would you A, pick it up, B, call him and ask him why, or would you C, create a dramatic scene that will cause you and him to have an argument where he might not give you any money, right? He would, you know, like just it would just be a bad situation for that time. Tell me, what would you do? Not you, ma'am, not your talent.
Well, in that case, is it the first time he's doing something like that, or is it a regular thing?
Let me ask you this question. Am I the one asking the question or is you? Answer the question.
No, sir, you.
Answer the question.
Well, I'll go with A.
Eh?
Yes.
So you pick it up.
Yes.
Of course, you have to pick it up. You see, you have a quality, you know, you have quality, not quantity. What about you in the middle there? What's your concept?
Oh, me not pick it up after me and him now walk. Me and Slave go pick that up himself.
You see, that's where you're wrong, sweetheart. You see, if you want to be a good woman, you have to understand, so you have to compromise. It's a relationship. You understand? It's not a one-sided thing, you know, even though the man is the king of the castle. You understand? We are in charge. We are Usa, Fasa. I want to forget what I'm saying. You over there, you little one always biting your mouth and smiling and all these things. What's your concept? Let me hear what you have to say.
Alright, well, I would take it up, wash it out, and then fold it up and put it back down, and then rub him foot. I'll make sure say alright.
My God, you are a good woman. A good woman with a capital W. Come on, give her a clap, man. Clap her, man. Clap her. Her concept is good. Yes, man. Put your hands together. Wait. What? What's the matter with you? Such great information is being passed and you're asleep?
Class done.
Class done? Watch it, you know. Listen, man, you need to listen. A lot of information that's being passed, you're gonna miss it. Yes, so, see you. Ladies, for today, I think this is all for today, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna pressure on her brain because, you know, I see a lot is on her mind, you know, she's been through a lot. So I'm gonna end the session for today, and I'm gonna let Miss Candy come and end the session. Alright, have a wonderful day, ladies.
Yes.
I hope you understand the concept of being a good woman. Alright, the behavior and all these things. Alright?
Yes.
I'm praying for you. Alright? Yes.
You can have a seat. Okay, ladies. I hope you learned something from Mr. John Public today. Well, this is Mr. Peter. I'll leave him. Let him talk to you guys.
Good evening. And one of you ladies know what's the most important thing in a relationship?
Yes, sex.
That's very good. And you know, sex is like the foundation in the relationship, right? It is what helps to keep the relationship in balance. You not hear me? You not hear me, right?
Yeah.
Because without sex in the relationship, it house can't be make no sense, you know, happy. So I'm not gonna elaborate too much on this talking, you know. So my job is just more physical, all right? So I will take you over by the golf course. So freshen up on yourself. Then you meet me by the golf course and show you the real practical part of it, right? Fix up yourself, man. Get ready. Quick reminder, Miss Candy says weekend is gonna be a test, so I hope you can pass it. So get to the A game ready and come, alright ladies? Let's see what you all have. Ready? So we're here today because you know want to be a good woman, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And you know what it takes to become a good woman.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So repeat after you, set better. Relax yourself now. You, set better too. Right. So repeat after me. You're a lady, you're not a tramp.
I'm a lady, I'm not a tramp.
Where's the best place to have sex?
Bathroom.
Why?
Because as soon as my partner coming from work or wherever it's coming from, his shower is already ready, so that's the best place to get it started.
With the shower on, alright,
Yes.
very good. Who is next?
Me.
Alright, what?
On the bed.
Where is the bed?
Cause after you done you can go sleep.
Alright, that not sound too good, that sound boring. Silver,
Sir, yes, sir.
where's the best place to have sex?
On the toll road.
On the toll road. Alright, that's not too bad, it's very unsafe, but it's adventurous. Alright, you,
Yes?
where's the best place to have sex?
In the washroom for the washing machine, stir up things a bit. Rinse, spin and wash.
Alright, that's not a bad idea. You look like you're a Christian, you know, but this sounds good. But listen to me now. You see, anywhere the man wants to have it, you know, give him it, right? It doesn't matter when, where, the weather, anytime. Just give him it. Now tell him say you're tired. Once it's that time, do not say you're tired. What me say?
Do not say you're tired.
What me say?
Do not say you're tired.
I'm gonna give him anywhere.
Anyway.
But anyways, line up. Give me a line there. Alright, so wanna know what it takes to get it tight, right?
Yes.
We're gonna do some squats today. You guys are gonna do some squats. So let me see a proper squat. Alright, not gonna work. Not going to work. Arch your back, arch your. Right. Head high. Down. Same way. Wait, man. Right. Put your hands up. Down now, down. Put in a foot them. Put them in tighter. So when you go down, you squeeze it. Alright, you have. Wait, set up. Down. Right. No, set up face better. Right. You will learn. Alright. You. We like Christian because and sneaking. Set better. We don't want this so. Set down. Right. Come on. Down more, man. Too tall.
Sir, my pants
The
tight.
cross is a little bit shorter. Come. Down. Hold it right there. Hold it. Yeah. Alright, you have a little more work to go. Little more work. You! We like you know thick and fat, but we see what you have now. Down. Come on, no man, you can do better. Come, down. Right. Down. Yeah. Yeah. Look around for me now. Look around. No man. No. Yes. Look around. Yeah.
Sir, why you move so flirtish?
That's enough for now. And we're gonna bathe again and get ready for the bedroom part later. Alright, good night again. So this is where it gets intense. This is the grand finale. This is the main test. This is where you pass the exam. Alright? So this is your practical. Right? So now I'm gonna test each and every one of you your skill level in the bedroom. Alright? So who's first? Okay, no one wants to answer. Church sister, come. Sneaking, but alright, let's see. Oh Jesus! Hallelujah! It make me feel like I should go into church, you know.
You need to.
You're so blessed. Oh my God. Alright. Continue to do what you're doing, alright, sister? It's very much blessed. I like everything about it.
Alright. God bless you.
God bless you. Who's next? Alright, there's only one problem out, you know. You must drink more pineapple juice. and eat a lot of pineapple, drink a lot of water.
And what will that do?
It helps, man. It helps, trust me. Everything else is perfect, but drink a lot more pineapple, eat it fruits.
Okay.
Alright. Who's next?
Me. Me.
Alright, so ensure say you shave, because hygiene is the next thing in a relationship where women must tend to take full responsibility for. Therefore, you have to ensure say you shave it properly. Shave. Do your squats them, you see me? And work. You have to go get one of them so you put on your foot. You see me? So yeah, work on that. I'm gonna give you about a 5 for you do a lot of it. And who's next? Come on, Silver, let's see what you have. This one don't hope me have a trend for another one. I need some water. I underestimated you. Oh my God. Whew. That what you going to do over there, sir? Me have to go give you A plus. A plus. Yeah. That thing what you do? That thing. You're so wild. But I like it. I like it. You pass the test. Alright? Keep it up.
I will.
Whatever you're doing, don't stop. Alright?
Okay.
Don't stop it. I feel like more and more. You know what? Let me just do another test run. Can I do?
You want it?
I don't think I have the strength.
Hello?
Hello, good evening, how are you doing?
Pleasant good evening. How can I help you?
I heard that you have good woman for sale.
Yes, I do.
Because I have my son and he have this girl, have him up and down like a yo-yo, and where next she's gonna take him, I don't know. So plaza them in the town of Negril, I own a couple of them, so you know that money ain't a problem, right? Okay. So I'm gonna have my driver drop him up by your place, cause somebody tell me the location and everything already. So I want you to line up one of the best woman them that's gonna love him and cherish him. I'll pay the money no matter what it costs it will be, right?
Okay, no problem.
Alright, so just find him a good woman, and let me know what the tab is, and I'll send it wire to any bank you like. I have many accounts, right?
You don't have to worry about it. I have a lot of good women here.
I'm gonna send him come up there soon. What time do you close?
5 p.m. in the evening.
Now,
And we work 5 working days from Monday to Friday. Open 8:30, close 5 o'clock.
Oh, it's close to 5 now. I beg you to give us some time to reach there, alright?
Okay, no problem.
I'll
I
make
won't
it
say
worth
no
your
to
while.
money. Okay?
I'll make it worth your while.
Okay, thank you. You have to make it fast though.
Don't rush. I have money.
Okay, alright, no problem. Just send him over. Bye bye. Have a nice evening. You can come inside.
Okay.
Have a seat. Good evening.
Good evening.
Your father already told me about the situation that you need a good woman in your life, right? I have a lot of good women here, but I choose one for you. I think you'll like this one. Wait. Just give me a minute. Alright. You can have a look.
Oh wow, looking so beautiful.
So do you like this one?
Yes, I like that one.
You sure?
Sure.
Okay. I'm gonna get this one for you. Her name is Silva.
Okay.
I'm gonna run it back. Just give me a few seconds, right? I'm coming. Here she is.
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Okay, Mr. Stabstone. This is Silver, as I said before.
Okay.
Silver, meet Mr. Stabstone.
Hi, Mr. Stabstone. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
You can go ahead now. Make sure you take good care of her.
Sure.
Okay.
Bye, boss.
Okay, bye.
Go on, girl.
Morning.
When me I walk a company road, me find $1,000. Yeah, man.
Blessings to find money.
Blessings. But you know, see, me and the girl out at Casper shop. Don't deal, you know what I mean?
Okay.
So, I want you go out there, buy a number for me.
Yeah, man, that's cool.
I don't want you, because we get a vision, you know. I don't want you buy one place. I want you buy from Casper. There's a new company out. You do up the road. Just go up there and buy the same number. Just so. I don't know which one I'm going to win from.
Yeah.
Just buy two of them, the one number.
One number.
You spend
different
5
place.
days or so, and 5 days just so.
So one number, two different place.
If you win, buy the same number them at the two place again. How much if you do?
Say if me win, take the whole of the money by the same number at two different places.
Again. Yeah. No matter how much you win, just buy one life. You get a vision. What me say me get?
You get a vision.
Alright. Buy the thing them. Now there today. So the money. See it here? The insurance say look funny. $1,000. Where you go put it? Put it somewhere.
Yeah, you can.
Because if you come and walk so and last the money, will like money gone. They say the dream, say today. That's the vision. Today is my lucky day. Right? So you go buy the number. When you press the number on your phone, make you can figure it. It's number 8. You want it 300 by 200. Number 8. Alright? What me say to buy?
Number 8.
In the phone, if you figure it, then I phone. How much it be? How much by how
Number
much?
8, 200 by 300.
It is 300 by 200.
Okay, 300 by 200.
Yes. So you buy, when I say to buy, and no miss it, you know. You see you walk so, any money you take, from go rich, any money you take, you help you straighten out yourself.
Good, well, want straighten up,
Because sake of that, you see them things sake of that you can't keep a man. No matter how you...
But me not understand. Me I hear some mad girl, handicapped girl, crazy girl, and them my best set of girl. So me not understand how nobody no want to stay with me.
Trick you with the argument there. Once they get to them, gone left you. Right? So, just do that. You go up on the road later.
Morning.
Yeah,
You know,
morning.
so me win.
Thank you. Me don't say I win though. Because I know the number them when you set up the buy. But what can I run off?
Well, me's a very honest person, you know. Certain things me not do. And sometimes in my life I do some things and I mash up an opportunity. And you say you help me. So me that work with that.
Know yourself. I trust you enough. Take your time, crim cram. And go down at the place. Because I have to go back on the work today again. So today now is a different deal. You go change it, go up on your maths book, and take 10% out of it for yourself and put down my money. But I'm going to give you 2 numbers for buy again out of my money
and one lotto ticket from each of them. Anyone a big number, them millions of dollars, them, you buy one other one there, one other one there. You don't know which one luck come from, so you know how you go already. So do that, know yourself. Yeah. Alright, so that's how you deal it today. Come and go back on the work today again.
Aye.
No worry, we not lose. We go win. We get a vision again last night. This one a bigger. You understand?
I believe you.
Alright, so me link you later because I'm coming earlier today.
Aye.
Alright though. Yeah man. Get yourself some new slippers or something man. Because that one we can serve every time. Alright? Do me something though. Later me link you. Good morning.
We never really did hear you just come here, come to the road and room there. Good morning.
You know I say I see for sale. You really sell house of you?
Yes, we really are selling, you know, because we can't take the violence we hold here, so we have to migrate, so we don't want to really get rid of it.
Oh yeah, we are foreign?
Yes.
So, how much you sell for though?
Right now, we can't go no lower than 6 million. Not because we want to migrate, but...
At the valley?
Yeah.
Just bill?
Yes, as you can see, say, it just built and we never have no problem with it.
Water and light there?
Water, light, internet.
But you have furniture night already though?
Well, if you want the furniture, you have to go pay a difference with the furniture. Yeah, furniture in the house, but it is not included in the house.
Alright, you know, me have money tight. I don't have so much money, but I think I could have spent 6-5 and get everything in it. Like everything on the veranda, everything in the house. I don't know if that take. If you go away, you can't carry things every day. Because I don't have enough money that alone. When I pay some money, invest in something, I'm get a little change, some more house, some other one, yes.
So you know see the furniture them and you want offer me 6-5 and you know see the quality of the furniture them, sir? Not because me a go away, that don't mean to say me a go give them things then. No. If you come and you want to see the quality of the furniture them.
Yeah, man,
yeah man, you can see that man and see a good quality things them.
Yeah, I don't really don't try still no, but just want one place for myself you know what I mean? Pay the rent house, I want something you know.
Well, you can come look for me.
Oh yeah, I see now.
The furniture them and see say well a good quality things them. And that the price where you have. Yeah, a strong house. So as you can see, the furniture them are good.
Yeah, man, yeah, good quality.
Yeah.
So here more do you know. Then we go for me ask me papers them. We could have meet them at the bank. And we just do the paperwork so we get the money.
Which one are the bank then?
We can go to credit union. Right about the master.
Okay. So give me a time frame when we can meet you down there.
But next hour, if that too, because we have something to do the night evening. So we don't do them things for early.
Alright then, because we have to go down on the grill. So by that time, can a couple business are go run through down there. So we will meet you down there. Right?
The country could get better one night time, but we don't think that. Alright, so we go meet up that. We'll go back from my yard. So by the next hour.
Yeah man, that's good man, because that time we really start putting the business on. Right?
Alright, so later.
Yeah man, alright, take care. I will meet down here. Alright.
Blessed, what one?
You know, be good. What happened? You good?
Yeah, you know, sir. They are run to the street. You know, gone yet? You think they're gone by now?
Yes, but as you know, and next week me I leave because the paperwork's kind of hold up a little, you know. But you know how the part they go. But next week for sure. So, the house,
Well, the house, we don't find one problem with the house. Nice.
The house alright. Me glad say suit
Nah,
you to
leave
that. Yes,
and
yes.
freshly built so you know, so a good buy.
Yeah man,
Very
you
good.
know we say money upon that
Yeah,
one.
man.
Yes.
Yeah man. And so only one problem I have now, I have a one need that clean up the place and things.
Yes.
But the house need a good woman. We catch some girl go there and me I tell you, them either them thief, them bad. Last time I came there, me I tell you 2 man, she can't come today.
No, that not
So
right.
me have to send them away so that I'm all it in the house, miss it, because the rough, just want a good woman.
As you mentioned that, you know one place, you know, good woman for sale. You can't go there. Yeah man, you look astonished. You never hear about that place there? They sell good woman. Any type of woman you want, they have them down there. Fat, slim, black, brown. Even the bleach out one they have down there. Are you to pick your choice?
You know what, you have to give me the number.
I figure, okay then man, I will give you your number and you go down there and see. And see if you must can get one. No care where you go because every type of woman down there. So you must can get one to suit you.
It's a good idea, you know. Can I tell you that's the only thing you see that? Yeah man,
You put in the number.
Any
Any type of girl you want.
and then good.
And then good. Good girl that me can tell you that me can recommend them. My brother come from foreign and get one of them, married to her, carry her go over and they have them picnic. Me have niece and nephew over there and the same woman when he buy and carry go over there. Over there me go link my brother you know. So you know so me can recommend because and they happy. A good woman them. So you can go down there and get one good woman for sale. I saw the place name.
Alright. Thank you.
Yeah man, you're welcome man and
So
I hope you find a good one as me tell you.
I go buy one of them.
Yes.
Alright.
Alright.
Later.
Alright and take care.
Same to you, same flight.
Yeah man, thank you very much.
Hi,
Yeah, good afternoon.
good afternoon. What's your name?
I'm Mr. D.
And what you're here for?
Well, I'm just a lonely, hardworking youth. And I see where the problem in my country is, and I want to be an example. So, I want a good woman, so in my community I can be the role model for next. But I've been searching on my own to try to find a good woman, and I can't find none until I buck up on your website where it's a good woman for sale. So I come to get one of the good women them.
Okay. I have a lot of good women here, and they are very, very important. So if you need a good woman in your life, I hope you are up to standard. You understand? The price for one of these ladies is 7.5 million. But if you don't have as much right now, you could do a down payment. You could just send it straight to an account. I can give you the number whenever you are ready.
Yeah, so is it that thing I tell you the type of woman that I want, or is it the way you have some woman and I choose from?
It's not about that. How can I prove that you really need a good woman in your life? Because some men, they say that they need a good woman, and when they get a good woman, they messed up.
Well, it's not for me to prove, you know. I heard that you sell good woman.
Of course I do, but I just want to make sure that...
So when I go to a car dealer, so when I go to any appliance store, any car, anything I do, if I step to buy a car, I need a car. I'm going to drive that car, so I pay for it and go. So if I have to go to criteria and interviews, maybe it's a way that I might as well get it free. You know what I mean? Because I'm gonna pay for it.
I don't think so. Listen, just the way humans love to have a good woman in your life, women need the same thing too. So once you're qualified, yes, that's okay. From you have the money, no problem.
Well, I think I have the money, and if it's too much, I can let it out to my bank. I can pay like deposit. I can buy it through the bank. Then my bank can pay for it.
But remember, we don't do refund. Right. Once you don't stand up to our policy, you will not get back your money.
Don't worry about it. I have the money. You know what I mean? So happiness to me is more than money. Cause money is just paper. Them can't check it. So I want it, I'll pay for it. So let me see what you have. Let me see the females.
You want to do a higher purchase or what? Or your down payment? Or what?
If I want to see the price range, because I'm willing to put down 5 million. You know what I mean?
It depends on the woman, because we have, you know, different women have different personalities, so it depends on the woman that you need, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna let you see the women that are here and you choose.
Alright, so let me see them.
So it depends. So don't take the price that I tell you, just that it means for every woman that you see here. I have different women, so it's different prices, right?
Different what you have?
Different price.
Different woman?
No. Different woman, different price.
Alright, so let me see
so
the
everybody
woman.
can't be the same price.
That's totally understandable.
Alright.
Alright, so let's get down to business then. Let me see them.
Okay.
I'm excited.
No problem.
Yeah.
So you can just give me some minutes.
Yeah, man, I'll be here waiting. We shall wait here or in the
No, you can sit over there.
Alright.
Okay, this is one of the ladies that are here. She's a very nice girl. This is one of the good women. Diamond, this is David. You can have a talk with him.
So what's your name? Beautiful.
Diamond.
Diamond. What is your last name?
Thomas.
That's good. Come here and related. I like that. How old are you?
I'm 23.
You have a nice stand up though. That's good. So which parish are you from in Jamaica?
Clarendon.
Clarendon. It's a lovely parish. One of the best parish here, I think. Alright. Look very good. I'll give you a 10 out of 10.
Thank you.
Alright. Thank you. Nice meeting you, right?
Same to you.
I'm David.
Okay, Diamond. Go and get one of the ladies around here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Boss woman, that one was good.
Thank you.
Yes, boss?
Okay, I have somebody that I need you to talk to.
Okay.
Alright. Over there.
Hello, my name is Gold.
Yeah, I'm David. Sorry about my phone last week. I've been having lots of sleepless night. I worked too hard.
Oh, hush. Mr. David, wake up. You're sleeping again.
Yes, man. Tired. This was a long shift I have yesterday. I'm going to tell you. I don't want to sleep. But let's get this up and running. So, your name is Gold?
Yeah.
Alright, so... No look bad too. We're going to bite your finger.
Yeah, I bite my fingers sometimes.
Alright, that's good. So, you can go back and send out anything there. You look good though. I'll give you a thumbs up.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, boss.
Okay. Silva, I'd like to introduce you to David. So you can go over there and speak to him. He will tell you what he's talking about. Go ahead.
You're Silva. Strong. I like. Yeah. So how old are you, Silva?
I'm 20.
You're 20.
Yes.
Oh, you're very stout and chopped in for 20. Look good though. Alright. So, nice meeting you, Silva. We talk soon.
Nice to meet you too, Mr. David.
Alright.
Okay, Mr. David. Unfortunately, yesterday I have a big sale out on the ladies then. You understand? But don't worry yourself about it. We only have 3 ladies leave as you see just now. But we are going to get some new ones tomorrow. So you can have a check whether early or whatever time you want.
I'm gonna take one out of them, man.
Oh, you'd like one of these girls?
Yeah, I'll take one of them. So, I think I'll take the first one.
Okay. Alright then. Anytime you're ready. As I tell you about the transaction, you could just send the money straight to the account. I will give you the number.
I can do a deposit from my account to your account now and take her now. I need to go and get some rest. So I wanted to come over now with me.
No problem.
Alright. Let me come over inside. Alright. Yeah. Alright. I really want to go now.
Okay, so you could send the deposit to this number. This is the account number. And you could sign it in here. Right?
Let me sign it. Should I sign on here too?
Yeah, on the bottom. Signature.
Alright. You must enjoy this business though, like, you know?
Very much.
Alright, so where should I press in my number? My account number.
Okay.
Alright. So my bank. Alright. That's it.
Okay. Just give me a minute. Here you go, Mr. David.
Oh, finally.
And it was a pleasure doing business with you.
Same here.
Yes, but remember, don't stay too long to pay the rest of the money.
No, man.
Interest is going to grow on it.
Alright.
And I don't do refund.
Don't worry about it. Money's
Have a
not a
nice
problem.
day, sir.
Money's not a problem.
Enjoy yourself.
Alright, honey.
Diamond.
Well, this is the house. You can tour yourself a tour, and if you like, we can go around the place. And this is Negril, so it's different. You know, we have the beach, you have a lot of everything. We're gonna go to the beach, we're gonna enjoy ourselves and have fun. All you have to do is just show me that good woman. I really tried to find a good woman, and the last woman wasn't a good woman. So I buck up on the company, say good woman for sale, and this is how. Yes, and this is why I come and buy you a good woman. So hope I'm not disappointed. But so far, you're beautiful. Your eyes tell a lot, and I can see that you were suffering. And welcome to good life.
But babe, this place is a mess.
I know. That's why I leave the girl that I was with. She was a bad woman. So now I hope I don't make the wrong choice of choosing a good woman.
No, you haven't.
Alright, so welcome home. Welcome. My house, your house. You know what I mean? I hope this work out perfect. I can get you a ring. We can marry and get some kids. I'll get some rest. Let's do what I can do. I'm very, very tired and I got to go to work by midnight. So let's check it in 3 hours sleep, then I get up and talk to you, alright?
Okay.
So we talk more. See, I really want to put them on the show. Alright, you know what? I'm going to call him at the office and tell him that I'm going to take the evening off and we'll go somewhere nice for dinner. Alright? How does that sound?
That sounds wonderful. Babe.
Good morning.
Just make some tea with crackers. The food is on the fire.
Yeah, thank you.
Some cooked food.
No, this is money well spent. Come here, tell her. Me really. So, did you like the dinner last night?
It was amazing. Tastes wonderful.
What are you cooking for me this morning?
Some cooked food with some saltfish.
So you cooking?
Yes.
So with helper?
She's out there. I like to cook.
That means soon and very soon no helper.
Not necessarily.
Alright, thank you very much, right?
You're welcome.
Perfect. I get the feeling of what? A good woman. Yeah, but like it.
Yes.
Actually, I've been with so many Tegereg and some girl that I mean, you know, good, but really and truly, I'm happy. Alright? Alright. Babes!
Yeah?
Can you swim?
Yes.
Because just come to my mind, I want to take you to the beach today. It's a nice sunny day, I can see the sun through the window shining. I think it would be a good idea. But I want to show you something at the beach. But if you want to swim though, I can bring a swimwear and you know you swim. But
Okay.
I think it's a good idea though. Let's go do something on the beach.
Okay, babe.
Alright. So, there I go.
Yes, I'm okay.
Did you test them?
I did.
So what the result though?
Which of them is negative, you know?
All three of them negative?
Yes.
I wonder if something wrong with you make you not get pregnant though.
Honestly, I don't. No, I don't normally do unprotected sex with anyone, so I don't know if it's me the problem or it's you.
You know what? I think we can do. Let's go and see one of my doctor brethren. I go down by the doctor office and you do a checkup and me do a checkup and then we figure out what the issue is, right?
Okay, babe.
Alright, so let's hold a shower. Maybe we can try again in the shower.
That sound good.
This time, let it soak in, right? Don't shake her nothing. Upside it down. You know.
I know what you're talking about, but that's the way you're talking.
Sorry for you about that, babe, because I really love everything about you. I take off everything in your book. Like, everything in your book. Only one thing I just, you can't have a child.
So you can do adoption. You can adopt.
I don't believe in adoption for my first child.
Like how you have money and so forth. We can try some fertility clinics.
I would think about that, you know what I mean? But while I was in the office, I stepped out and I called the people them from your company. So I have a meet with them now, so if we go back down there and then we can figure it out from there. So
Please don't leave me, because I know you're not going to come back.
no worry yourself, man. I will come back for you.
You're really going to come back for me?
Yeah, man, I will come back for you, man.
Okay.
But I enjoy every moment, we spend and every part of the thing. Them a good night, just the fact you can, have a child, and I know you're for that. But I think after I get my first child, maybe we can go back to the drawing board. I can adopt some. You know what I mean?
Okay then.
But you're a good woman, though.
Okay, Brandy.
Yeah?
I need to talk to you about a gentleman. One of our clients that came here and get one of the good women that I thought she could have get pregnant, but she couldn't, and I did not know. Now the gentleman is going to return that girl back here. And I believe that you are the best good woman in the group can be with that man. I think you'd make a good couple. Yes, I know you can get pregnant. Remember you get about 3 pregnancy and you throw them away? But don't throw away this one. He's coming back with that one and I want you to go. I know you can do it. You're the one who can get pregnant for him and he really need a good woman in his life. So don't worry. When he come, I'll talk to you. Okay? Brandy, I know you're not going to let me down, You must let me feel proud about you.
Yes, boss. And on my time yet, more good man too,
I never teach you no manners. I not teach you nothing near manners. Where you come about?
One good man too.
One good man is not your turn. Go on back around there, so.
I feel like saying my time now.
Look here. Go on round back around there, so. I know your turn. Oh, Todd, I must say jealous. Me did call you. Your name Gold. Me never say Gold. Me say Brandy. Oh, Todd. Brandy, don't worry yourself. Have a seat over there. He's on his way.
Alright, sorry that meet on this.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Got manners.
Good morning, Mom.
Why are you crying? Why your face looking like that? Get inside.
She is a good woman. Only one thing, she just can't get pregnant. So don't rush her too much. She do everything perfect. Only thing, she just can't breathe. Because I try to breathe her, I turn her some position, and make it stay down inside up, and it still it don't work. Like something just killing off the thing that when I go down there.
Mr. David, there's some black ridge inside her.
There's a sad story. There's a very sad story.
But sorry about that anyway.
It was a long day. It's a long day from morning. The stress me out from morning. Can I have a seat?
Yes, you can. Brandy, come and meet Mr. David.
Hello.
Mr. David.
I am Brandy.
Feel on again? Feel nice.
Thanks.
Alright, so she ready to go now?
She's ready. Her bag is over there.
Alright, so we're gonna have fun, right?
Alright.
Mr. David,
yeah?
One more thing.
Yeah.
Remember that you have some money in the bank?
No, but don't worry about that. The bank is dealing with that. Because right now your account they withdraw money from my account, put to your account at a certain time. I tell them when to do it.
Okay.
So don't worry about that, man. Everything's okay. So as soon as one of them girls have a baby for me, and I'm happy, I can just withdraw, clear everything, and give you a bonus on top of it.
Okay, no problem.
All right, thank you again, right?
It's a pleasure doing business with you.
Always a pleasure.
Okay.
You have some nice, good woman.
Thank you.
How are you?
If you want to gotcha me with that, ask me now.
God. Little girl, how are you? How are you?
The man send me back.
How are you do?
He said me a buried, me can't breathe.
Oh, God. He rough.
Diamond. Diamond.
Yes, ma'am.
Get up, I need to speak to you now. Get up, stop the crying.
The man carry me back and he said I come back, but me know he not come back.
Diamond.
Yes, ma'am.
I need to talk to you, so you have to calm down with the noise.
Man can't be back down in the mouth.
No, shush. Listen, look at me. You're a good woman. Remember, always in life, remember that you are a good woman. And any man will take you for their wife. The only problem is that you can't have any kids. But don't worry about it. My mother know the remedy to clean your fallopian tube.
Really, ma'am?
Yes. And after that, you're going to be okay and you can have many children as you want. Don't worry. I'll talk to my mom and get back to you.
Mom. Thanks.
Okay.
Thanks, ma'am.
Alright.
Thanks.
Alright then. Okay.
Thank you, Jesus.
You Miss Gold. Me notice how you're inquisitive and love fast in a people business. Anytime you see any client come here to me, do not pass your place again like that. You need to have some manners and respect. You understand me? And I need to keep a meeting with you guys. Because you don't have nothing about you. No wonder why when any client come, they don't choose you. They're choosing somebody else. Because you always try to push up yourself before time. Wait until your time come. Your time is your time. Hold harder.
Don't be surprised and don't be alarmed. The last person who was here, I have problem with her getting pregnant. So I don't want to go to the rigmarole again and the next part. Let's just start straight at the baby making. Then we take it from there. What are you doing?
I'm making sure it's tight enough for you.
Alright, I like it. Go on. It's fun. I should have some music playing. Make your body jump, make your body jump. Don't bite it there. You feel it inside there? Moving up and down there? You feel them swimming? You pregnant already?
Boss.
But then you say you're expert in pregnancy.
Yeah.
So what's next now?
Me hungry.
Alright, so let's get something. What you want to eat? Because I want the baby to born strong. What you want to eat? Something strong? You want a Guinness?
No. Anything healthy.
Alright, because I think it's best to eat something healthy for the baby.
Yeah.
So like some milk, cheese, and I'll get a list from a nutritionist. So you eat healthy so the baby can born bounce. You know what I mean? So if it doesn't work, what I'm going to do, I'm going to ensure that you breathe. So after you don't eat, we go and do it again. We're going to do it and do it and do it and do it until I see. Right?
Okay, no problem.
Right, you're a good woman. Alright. Let me rest now. Tell the helper! I know you can hear me. Look out some breakfast, healthy breakfast for my new woman. They'll look out something for you. Wake me up when you finish, alright? When you don't eat, they'll wake me up. Alright?
Hey,
Hey, what?
why break?
How did you talk them really? This is
You
since.
say I went out with that guy training school, so we talk to each other.
Oh, hey, why pre?
Mm.
I don't know. So what going? Where are you today?
Just I go tidy up the house and then look for something to eat.
Alright, I'm going to go up on the road and I'll go chill out and go do some business or something, right? So you say you clean up your something?
Yeah, me I clean up the house and look for something to eat and just relax for your side here.
You talk so fast though, like you're a race. You want me to hurry up and go?
No.
So you're talking so fast?
You know, from me small, that's how I talk. Mother always tell me to talk too fast.
One thing though, I love you, you know? I find a bit of love in you. You're silent. You want me to talk. With me, I reason still, you know, so you're not up to me in a reasoning ability, but that's okay. That's your personality. You know what I mean? But apart from that, you're a good woman. You know what I mean? You then couldn't teach everything. So you're not really perfect. You're good, but not perfect. And that's okay enough. You know what I mean? But the problem now, more is you're pregnant. I've been working on you every night, right? You don't feel no different?
Well, I don't feel no different as yet, but as soon as I start feel the morning sickness them, because that normally happen to me, vomiting when we wake in the morning, then I can't eat nothing, I will let you know.
First one was a disappointment. She good in every other area, but in the reproductive part of it, it didn't work out. Like some part are damaged. So you say you're the breeder, so please just give me a child. Just give me a child.
You don't have to worry. I can give you a child, any amount you want, because I am fertile.
You come from family breed enough.
Yeah.
How much pick mama get?
9,
And your grandmother?
15.
That's a good. Them things I like here. So I'm gonna go on the road. It's a happy day. So hope somebody think I come back. You start to do all the morning sickness them and evening sickness and night sickness, all that sickness them.
Yeah man, by next week.
We'll see. Cause I work hard for you know. Me a drain out the whole on in you. So I just hope that it work out because I really want one picnic.
Come in.
Morning.
Mr. Peter, what are you doing here?
You know, I come to see you.
Why?
Listen. You know, can I come in?
No.
Come on, I don't want to be outside and next thing someone is passing by and carrying my name to your husband. From that training session I had with you, man, I can't stop thinking about you, you know, like you do something that night that I'm so speechless, like just want more. I mean, no, you have your Dave with your money and I don't really want to cause no problem, but please, I'm just training a little bit more. I think I need just a little bit more training. And I have some things that we never teach the other girls, you know, but I come to teach you to make sure so you can get pregnant. So, yes sir.
Well, I don't know, but yeah, I would have take a little bit more training.
Come on, I need a little, not, it's gonna be long.
That was good.
Trust me, man. You know, man. It's a church people. Me always have luck with Christian, and trust me. But this is gonna be a regular routine now. Here.
Okay.
Me
No
make sure
problem.
I'll ensure when he's not here, I come and do the maintenance work and get you on the road to pregnancy, so you can get a nice baby. Just give it to him.
Yes, you're right, because if you want a child, so a child more of it.
Yeah, let's do another round.
Alright.
Hold on. Oh, you expect somebody?
No.
How can I carry my job?
One black for you.
Oh, baby, you gonna sleep back?
I never feel so good. My belly that hurt me with that vomit 2 times.
Go on the way though. Take your time. I'll go back at the pharmacy and get one something for you when I pregnancy test them because maybe you're pregnant. So, but me have something to deal with. But I'll do that first and come back. Just take your time. But you feel like where you want? You want something?
No, nothing.
Alright. And normal when pregnant you feel this, right? Yeah. Alright. So there's something come pick up back. You can't make a tea or any good thing you want. You don't want me?
Just want to sleep.
Alright. Now go back on the way. There's something come pick up.
Come now.
Hey, me nah tell her no longer. Here, me see you.
Alright.
Here, as I said, training session. Here, training session.
Bye.
Stay safe.
So what going on now differently?
We're there, you know.
Cause I give you money one day. After I win, I give you money. So I take my money buy a car, build one room. Yeah. But what you do for your money though?
Well, you know, say, it have my money, you know, and dirty Bob, I say I want to start a business with it. And I don't know, Bob take all of my money. One man when I dey chat to, gone with my money. If I didn't take your money, I don't see him. So I say, why problem always depend on me so much? If they not run away, they run gone with my money. Or use me and gone. I want to know why problem with me, man.
I think you are the problem smartly, you know. These are things that you need to do and things that you need to know. You think of that. Because same way like what you're saying, you know, say, since we have the money, I've been through a lot of women just trying to find a good woman. Oh. And one day I run into something on the net, we part a place sell good woman. I'm going to go there and purchase one. The first one, good, but you couldn't get pregnant. Oh. So what I do, I trade in that one and get a next one. Oh. You know what I mean? So it a good for me still, you know what I mean? She the home by herself and now I soon go catch some breakfast for her because her belly big and now. Yeah man. So I go do something for you. I not give you no money again. Okay. I go talk to the woman at the place and make you get the location and you go there, go learn how to be a good woman. So maybe train a good woman, they not keep no good man, they not attract no good man then.
So what does it take to be a good woman?
Well, I no work at the place. The woman they will sell good woman would know. So I go there.
Oh, so then train you?
I don't know how they do it, but I ask them and send them go there and I go talk to them myself. Because I be a good woman now. Did they? Okay. All the things that some of them maybe can breathe, some of them maybe can do certain things, but in all, I don't think you'll find a perfect woman. But if you find a good one, can last a lifetime. Right? Yeah. So that's just something there. So that may I do for you. Alright? Alright. Next time, you know, take your money, give people, you start doing a business, you do a transaction yourself. But we can't give back money and now, I'll give you an opportunity to live a good life. Yes. So you become a good woman. Alright? That's so good.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello. Who am I speaking with?
This is Brand.
Okay, hi Brands. How are you?
I'm alright. I saw this thing going around that good woman that for sale.
Oh, this is the same person that I speak with?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, go ahead.
So I was wondering where you come up from with me, where is standing for me?
You want to know the reason why no man can't stay with you?
Yes.
Okay, I don't want to talk to you about it over the phone. You can come by my office and then I will talk to you. So you can come at any time you're available.
Yeah, we're sure where the office is located.
Lampred Road?
Alright.
Yeah. Just as you enter the first corner, and you're right.
Alright.
Okay, cool. Have a nice day.
She's good.
Who tell us that girl?
That girl
a boy feeling there.
That girl me
anyway, wait make you work. Anyone them come. After the one that come, we get one for one. So if a girl come first, you're good. And if a boy come first, you're good, so they can put him back one more. Alright?
Yeah.
Say alright though?
Yeah.
So how you feel this morning?
Feel alright.
What I'm going to do, I'm going to go on the road, we're going to take a look at time. But when I'm coming, I'm going to get you something to eat. But I'm not saying it early though.
Yeah.
So about the next 2 hours, so I'll come back.
Alright.
Alright?
Alright.
Alright, love you.
Love you too. Have a good day at work.
Alright. No, I'm not work today, no. I'm not working today. Just go run up and down and leave something and come back. So by the time I buy something, come back for you.
Alright.
Alright? If not, you call me.
Alright.
Alright? If you just move, you call me. Alright?
Alright.
Alright.
Come inside.
So, good afternoon again.
Good afternoon.
Yes.
And your name is?
Brands.
Oh, you're the person that I just spoke with on the phone? So, what's your problem again?
Well, Miss, as we say, I want to know how I can become a good woman. Because all of my man them go left me, they not stay with me, they just gone left me so.
Every man who you're there with?
Every man.
Really? Don't worry about that. I can give you a good training about how to keep a man.
Okay.
You understand? When I done with you, you have to turn a good woman. So any man will want you when me finish with you.
Okay.
You understand? So I'm going to give you the time and the date that I needed to come to me so I can train you properly. You understand?
Okay.
Okay, so you can come back and check me about 2 o'clock tomorrow. I never say after 2 o'clock. Me's a busy woman.
Okay.
So when you're ready, you come.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Alright.
Okay, have a nice day. It was nice meeting you.
Alright.
Come in. You know, so I feel like say I feel baby and if you rest on one, you know.
Don't worry yourself, man. If I'm my baby, take a full responsibility for it. Isn't it? Come water your head, man, and stop worrying.
Listen. Rasta take care of me, you know. Anything I want, him give me, and him a feed me and everything. Anything I want.
So me can't get anything I want either. They think me a cruff? Stop the foolishness. If I'm my pit, me take a responsibility for that.
You know, say you have to take time, though. You kill it, baby.
Nothing I do, baby, man. The baby in one place by herself.
What's going on here?
Babes, I'm a trainer.
Are you a trainer?
Yo, my general, I'm me responsible for training her, make sure say everything is good with her.
Don't move, yeah? Don't move. Man, I must catch you, you know. Thing good, man, but I not waste my money, you know. Can me damage you right and I'm losing money, but everything good. Must hold a girl. Yeah, I need to talk to you. I call her already still, you know. So we really have to come face to face with you. But I try to tell you now. Everything I go good, you know. Everything I go good with her. Pregnant, everything. But one mind to circle back a yard early. Come catch her in a bed with a big belly. You know what I mean? We just put it on camera because something fishy. Sometimes we just smells like a scent pan her. You know what I mean? And my scent that. And so I'm kind of sensitive in terms of smelling things, right? I never try to have science because sometimes smell like a different body odor in my house. And I say, no, this is not my body odor. Alright, watch out now. I'm going to show you something. I'm put it on the camera. Look on you here. And that big old fat youth they have on his belly. So what me answer to you now? You know, say surprise. I'm not worry about that, you know. Where you go do? Give me a different good man. I'm not talk go too far. I don't want to talk about that. Because when you talk about the earth, you feel it more. But if you let it go, I just want to pass that. Give me a different one. I don't want none like them one day. Give me something fresh, something more younger than. Come on, if I've been worrying with them, but give me a younger one.
Mr. David, I am very sorry. I will take the full responsibility of whatever she have done. And I'm going to give you another good woman that nobody never chose it. That one is for you. I will let you get that one.
Where's she there? Call her.
Okay. Gold!
Come in.
Come here, please.
Come in.
Stop the coming and come. I'm waiting on you. Come around here.
Yeah?
Okay, Gold. I think today is your lucky day. Gold, meet
Really?
Mr. David. Mr. David, meet Gold.
Yeah, Gold.
Mr. David, I know you know how to melt up this gold. Go and get your stuff. Mr. David is waiting on you. I can see that you're happy. Hurry!
That one full of energy. But I don't like it though.
I think you'll make it with this one though.
What's up? Because
Yes.
I don't like it. Good man. I need to get a good man. Why?
I'm ready.
One thing I say now, is if this one don't work out, I'm gonna need a refund. Full money back. Or you gotta talk to my lawyer. But I hope for the best. You ready? And so
No
I go on.
problem.
Come on, go.
Hello, Peter.
Yes, Miss Candy.
I don't understand you. Why you left and go to the man yard go have sexual intercourse with that man, woman?
Miss Candy, listen to me.
That is wrong. You're not supposed to do it.
Miss Candy, listen to me now. I had at the training, right? We have some unfinished thing was doing. So I went up there to double check and ensure that she has everything and she has her final exam because she never finished her practical. So we didn't just go up there, finish, give her her grade and so I have never touched her. I affect not what I do, I affect what the boss again. So therefore we just go up there to make sure that everything was good because we really never want.
Peter, don't go any further. You're on camera. Me see you with me two eye them. Camera no tell lie. Peter! Peter! Peter, why you hang up the phone? No problem. Wait till I see you.
How you feel?
I just feel kind of dizzy.
I come sit down over here. Alright, sit down. Yeah, man. I don't know why I buy so much I see him color sheet. I know for me I have about 10 sheet I hold my same color. Every time I wash a lady, wash the things I said sheet up on the bed.
Oh, you like Versace?
Yeah, man. I like the color and the lion print, you know. Or a tiger, something like that. So I'm going differently. How you feel good overall? Tell me the truth, not tell me a lie, you know.
Me, I wonder, say, why you never just make me have sex? Why you have to carry my god that and make me inject the sperm in me?
They call that procedure artificial insemination. And the reason why I do that now, the two good women that come before you. This have a problem, that a problem, so no more speed up process. I don't want to have work too hard. I want to bam and then wait with it. But I'm surprised you. Now somebody can link me and know they will like it. Yeah?
Alright.
Alright. You feel like you're pregnant already?
I don't know, I'm excited though.
You think go band bouncing and happy because that I notice you know for you come just a bounce around the place like a ball.
You know, so I'm glad to see you choose because a long time I want to get chosen.
Yeah, you know good thing come to those who wait.
A long time I wait, oh God. I can't believe.
Yeah man, you good?
Yes, alright, I'm happy.
Alright, what go on now? Oh, you that somebody come. Yo, how that? What go on? Come in now. Everything alright?
Yeah, boss.
Alright. Yo, you're a top well liner man. So what go on?
There, man.
You do some welding for me one day now. Yo, you're a good youth. What you may say? My work a deal for you dealing. Don't tell nobody about it, you know. It's a top secret, but more I just deal with. Go phone your panty can come.
Why?
Go feet and come man. Let's do something.
Alright.
Alright. You will go now. Panty come. Come in a trust woman like that, you know. From one day I can't get a good, real good woman. Every time I have a problem. So I try to solve the case now. So more you make one high-end panty. She carry panty size come. They make a high-end panty. They make a lucky with that key when I go nowhere. Or I come in and I want to use it, open up it and take. You know what I mean? You left one look at pee all the day. She can pee if she want, but no, nothing big. Chips! Chip chops! Yeah man, so if I nothing, I can't deal with it. You can't deal with it, right?
Yeah, man, can't do that. I simple thing that for deal with, man.
Babes, come on in now. Yeah. You knew, right?
Yeah. Remember say you did buy for me.
Yeah. Alright, sit down on my general. Yeah man, deal with it, is it? No worry about the cost. How much it cost, I deal with it. Come, sit down for there, sir. Now. Is it true, I'm up on the road, more you understand, say. This is for your own safety. I'm up on the road every day I work, I take care of you. If everything work out good, I'm married to you. But trust is a hell of a thing, and I don't trust people in this world. So, the property we have today, you see, if I don't lock it up, somebody can just break in your house and take some of it, right? So, them go build one iron panty for you. Me got the key for you. So nobody can go in my panty until I. You know what I mean? Come with the key. No worries, man.
So how me go pee if you go build?
No, them have a place pan make a pee. Them don't come in automatically pee. Bam. Anything else, if I no, anything I try to go in, I cut it off. That's how we are designed. But anything I come out good. You can out. Anything if come out of your body, I can come out. But anything if go in, go chop off it. Automatic. That's when you panty them.
So why you give me iron panty? You can't trust me, no?
No, I know you are the problem at people. But if a man come in the house to rape you now, as he try to push you in there, bam, you chop off. You can't find him there. You understand? That issue now, safety. I go up on the road yesterday and when I check my pocket, I in the vehicle. I shot that some money. So look at me last money. I don't know how come my last money. So.
But you know, so though, me wash your clothes, me never see no money in your pocket. So, me don't know where you put it. Probably misplaced here or something.
That means look at me last year. But you're good though, differently.
Yeah, you know, so though, I vomit today.
So you feel like you're pregnant?
Yeah, I feel like you work.
Alright. But you're in panty now, squeeze though.
You know, so it crease up my creases though. It kind of tight. You can't make one look slacker.
Me order some of them for him, man. So me get them now different. Me them that make it look a bit bigger. Now that make you can't come out tight in about just to make it. You know, you can realize say, you know, say vagina will get fatter.
Oh, so I swell, you want to swell?
No, it goes swell automatic when you're pregnant. I don't know if you know about them. Because I study, I watch it on the internet. And so then, so whenever you know, you're in them stage, some part of your body swell up.
So what kind of baby you want, boy or girl?
Well, we're not really worry, you know, any one of them come first, because no one of them. So when no one come and drop out, you push out two more. So when the first one come, just continue until you get some.
So a triplet?
No, when one, no, I don't know how much baby I come at a time. So I think some of them want at least 15 to 16 pitney. Because we have money. I'm going to try to open up some different business. Say more business, we just want to have some business with them too. You know what I mean? Yeah. That's why I know I don't know boss a brain now. We are just a breeder. Just have to pick them and take care of them and grow good. And that. You that are your job. Me a provider. And you know, but you just say alright. So you don't have to worry about no. Any money you see there, then you want you ask for it. Don't touch it because I like honesty. You know what I mean?
So, what make you have to make me wear the iron panty?
I just for your own safety, me tell you already.
Yeah, but you're supposed to can't trust me if you want to have so much kids with me.
Hello. Don't, yeah, alright. Where you question? I like question me, no. I'm not that man.
Alright, I'm sorry. You want good man, you know, that's why I'm not go style you, so.
Yeah, man. So, we're more there now. More touch the road and forward back. You know what I mean? So, you alright though? You on the road?
I'm gonna want patty. I don't want box milk because I make crave box milk.
I'm sorry, I'm so sorry to go back.
Yeah.
You know some company where I go. Which pants were you last night?
Then I want to tell two of them we did this right now. I want them.
No man. It's a short. You see no man on our pants when I wash them.
You don't wash it yet?
When I search them, I know to prepare them to wash.
When I search your pants, them I'm not ready to wash yet. I'm ready to wash me search them, but I didn't trouble it.
I drew a carrot, right?
No?
Alright. Anyway, we're going to last it. So I'm going to go and come back. Here, now we're going to go to machine and jar some money. No, me have money. I just lose money, so if I want to make money, I don't know where to go. It's so fun. No money. No money.
No, after my money.
I'm can't come back for enough good job money, but see money.
After my money
What check
this.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, I'm my money. So I'm going to you now. You know what it means though?
What do you mean?
Yeah, come back home.
You must say me pregnant.
Pregnant will be mine, but you won't be mine because you've been stealing from me all this time. Every time I put money in, I know the money I make automatically for 15,000 every single way you go to take your life. And I like say I want good teeth, you could have teeth, some and left some, but you take everything.
But me have a baby, remember I have a baby
No
fish
worry
up.
about the baby, I'm gonna get it. Me have money, no worry about the baby shop, I shop the baby yourself, and me go buy things for the baby. Me the provider, but realize say you're not. I test this, you know. I test you. You're not a good woman. You have to go home. Pack up things. Go pack up things then. Go and pack up things then. Go pack up things then. Before you go, bend over again. Let me see one more time. So go on now.
It simply means if you're watching me right now, you have watched the entirety of the video, and we enjoy and we love the fact that you watched the video to the end. All right, please share the video over on your Facebook page, share it on your Instagram, share it on your WhatsApp. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Richard Brown Films, because what we are doing is not just creating content for YouTube. What we are actually doing is telling stories. We are documenting the real Jamaican experience, and for years to come and for generations to come, you guys will have something to look back on and say, oh, me used to remember when we used to do this, and we used to remember when we used to do that. So that's why we are creating this content. And not only that, we are bringing across positive messages, so therefore people can learn from what we do. And also, as I say in most of the videos that I post, if you guys feel like reaching out to us, DMing me on Instagram and say, yo, we love what you guys are doing and we want to contribute. I like to say this out loud to people that I am not the type of person that I like to beg. I was never brought up that way. I am not that type of individual. But we are in a space and time where we are doing something impactful in terms of creating this content, and it is taking a lot out of us in terms of time, finance, everything. So therefore, we need your help as good, kind-hearted Jamaicans, whether you live at Jamaica or whether you live abroad. We need your help. Reach out to him, man. Say, yo, we want to help, you know. Help you get some more camera. We want to help you get some more light. We want to help you with some food. We want to send a barrel come. Because the fact of it, you might just don't know. On a daily basis, when we have people on set, we have to feed them. We have to ensure, say, yo, sometimes we give people our money, say, yo, take a taxi, go on home. So we are doing something, not just for ourselves, but for Jamaica, for the community and a whole, from a grassroots level. So big up on yourself, continue to support what we do, while we just do what we do here. On behalf of the entire team, myself, Fire, and every single one of the persons who used to come stand in front of the camera every week for you guys, we want to say thank you. Big up on yourself.